is an example on direct variation, and it says if W varies directly as U and W equals 5 when U equals 3, find A, the formula connecting W and U, and B, U when W equals 15. Solution. Let's write this out. We have W varies directly as U, and this, we introduce a constant to it, which gives us W equals KU, where K is a constant, what we call the constant of variation. So when W equals 5 and U equals 3, let's substitute those values so that I can find the value of our constant. So substitute W equals 5 and U equals 3. So from here we'll be having 5 equals 3k, that is k times 3, which gives us 3k. And from here, to find k, we divide both sides by the coefficient of k, which is 3. Divide both sides by 3. So we have 5 divided by 3 equals 3k divided by 3. 3 goes here 1, 3 goes here 1. So therefore, k over 1, which is the same as k, equals 5 over 3. And for A, the formula connecting W and U would be now we're already getting our k as 5 over 3. When we place 5 over 3 here, that means we'll be having W equals 5 over 3 U, and that gives us the formula connecting W and U. Now the second one, we are trying to find U when W equals 15. We already know the formula connecting them, so what we just do is substitute W as 15 here and find the value for our U. B, substitute W equals 15 in the formula. And when we do that, we have 15 equals 5 over 3 U. So what we'll do here is multiply both sides by 3 over 5. Why are we multiplying both sides by 3 over 5? So we can remove this 5 over 3 attached to U. So we have 15 times 3 over 5 equals 5 over 3U times 3 over 5. And you see here, 3 goes here 1, 3 goes here 1, 5 goes here 1, 5 goes here 1. So we are left with 1 times 1 U, that's 1 U, which is same thing as U, over 1, which is same thing as U. Here we have 5 here 1, 5 here 3. 3 times 3 is 9, divided by 1, still gives us 9. So we have 9 equals U, and which can be written as U equals 9. So the value of U when W equals 15 is 9. Thank you.